It's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my studio, 24 by 36 inch canvas, and I'm doing an underpainting for a translucent pearl swipe. This is a concept I played with a while back, kind of trying to mimic the bloom technique, but with my pearl paints, and it's really fun. This is a really kind of different way to use the pearl base coat, the colorful pearl base coat, and I'm just going to use like a black pearl paint. So these terms, if they're not familiar to you, I'm going to link some videos below that kind of go into more detail and more teaching content in regards to what I'm talking about. So if this is like, what is she talking about, then check out some of my other videos. But this is just playing with it in a different way, kind of putting all the base coats down and then taking a puddle paint to like almost swipe over the base coat colors. But this is just the first layer, just kind of, this is called Absinthe, so very green inspired. I'm going to show you the colors here. That's like a desert clay by TriArt. That's bamboo by TriArt. I mixed in a few of their other green colors. That's a peachy, kind of pinkish color. Charvin, indigo, can't get away from it. I just love it. Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam. And that's Gilded by TLP. So these are all base coat colors. And then I have a big thing of my translucent base coat there. And then this is the puddle paint, which I just did in black. And I'm kind of going to use it like a cell activator, but in a, and then I did a little practice canvas, but I'm not going to show you that part. I'm going to go straight onto the big canvas for you. And I showed you a little clip at the beginning for the fluid art experience. Please come join us. It is so much fun. You don't get that many teachers in one place very often. Well, in fact, just once a year. So come take advantage and learn, play, paint, eat. It's a blast. And I hope to see you there. Also doing some retreats this spring and next fall on Deer Lake. And let me just tell you a little more real quick. So the translucent base coat went down first, and then those are the other pearl base coats that I put on top of that. So that's all base coat. And the translucent portion will dry clear, so that underpainting will kind of shine through that translucent layer. And then that's I actually added a little bit of burgundy puddle paint as well, just to get a little bit of a contrasting color in there. It doesn't show through a whole lot, but you'll see a bit of it at the end. All right, I'm going to put some music on. Enjoy this painting. This is stage 1. I'm going to show you stage 2 after it's dry in a separate video. Kind of do this as an Absinthe series, and I hope you like it. It's different. I wasn't sure, but I'm working with it. So, all right, much love. Stay till the end. Talk to you soon.